Okay, here's your feature product tonight. And again, there are other very good products from different manufacturers that I use as well. Tonight we're talking about GrandioSO Heavy Flow. And very easy to use, very easy to identify. And let's talk about the colors. Well, if you look at the palette from A1 to A4, and they also have an A5, what does that mean? 80% of all the human teeth are in the A range, according to the International Standards of Color, and also V-dent. So that's the color of dentin. So what Voco did right here was leverage the A shades, and especially in the geriatric population and the class 5 restorations, we're starting to see the A4s and the A5. So that would be a place where I'd be using a flowable of very high chroma. You need at least one opaquer when you flow. You need at least one opaquer in a traditional composite, and that's to block out something such as a deep class 5 box that may have some deep colors in it, dark colors. You put your opaquer on that, and then you can put your dentin shades on top of that. They have a bleach light for younger teeth, and these could even be for flowable nuances, subsurface on your bonding protocols for hypocalcifications. And then they have a white opaque, which is very intense without the translucency. So I think for me, this covers the palette, and I'm very comfortable with this palette without getting too complicated. Let's start looking at the properties of the Voco, the GrandioSO Heavy Flow. 83% filled, the radiopacity is there. The shrinkage is under 3. Anytime you can get under 3 and leverage it down into the low 2s, I think you're good. We'll talk about the modulus of elasticity. We'll talk about transverse strength and some of the shrinkage stress. So this is what you can use these for in pit and fissure sealants, abfractions, blocking out, lining, same as the other ones. Repairing veneers, you can use them if you're using Empress porcelain and you can get the light through your restoration and your porcelain. You can lute these on as a luting cement. You can splint teeth using the highly filled flowables, and this could be a test question as well. You can use this with the Grand Tech fibers from glass fibers from Voco, one of my favorites, as for provisionals and bridges. We'll show you a case tonight.